In this video, downloading and installing mClient will be summarized. First, we are filling the download form on mClient website. Please, note to fill the serial number of your Mac correctly in order the license to be valid. After form is submitted, you will receive an email containing the download instructions and also the trial license. Let's first download the mClient application. Also, download the trial license. Now, let's open the mClient application download location. Open the zip file and drag and drop mClient application to the Applications folder. Before opening the application, we need to check the security settings on our Mac. Running applications from identified developers should be also allowed. Now, go to the Applications folder and open mClient application. First, we need to load the trial license that we downloaded from the mail. License is successfully loaded. And now we need to define the mFiles server details that we want to connect from mClient preferences. Please note that in order to be able to use mClient, mFiles web configuration should have been made. For the host name field, you should write mFiles web address and port. When filling all details are completed, you can add the server. Application types configuration screen is used to define which files will be opened with which applications and whether the files can be edited or not. In user parameters screen, it is possible to change search result limit and value list search limit. Let's save the settings and close the preferences screen. We can now log into the mClient demo server that we defined in preferences. mClient home screen comes in and we can start using mFiles in our Mac. Thanks for watching. For support requests, please simply send mail to mclient@meshsoft.com.dr.